Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Alex Duetto espresso machine. It comes to us with burnt heating element and it was causing a sharp. So here's the old one. Look at that, how it's almost gone here. And this is part of the wire that was on it. So it was in some way like that. So it's the rest of the wire, like most of it, was burned. So I just replaced the heating element with a new one, make a tune up for the machine, replace the shower screen. This is the old one with the low bit gasket, and also I replaced the diffuser in the machine. So let's go ahead, test it, and make espresso shot. Actually, this is from another Alex machine. This is not the same portafilter. So let's go ahead and test it. It's not going like 100% 90 because I do want to align it with this one and get further, and I put spacer too. But in general, this is like when you got the portafilter for this machine, you can just like push it all the way. So let's test it. Make espresso shot. This is bottomless one. I don't know if I can show. This is good enough. It's making like really nice shot with thick crema and 3 layers of coffee. So let's test the steamer. This is really good steamer, and the hot water spout. Perfect, and start like refilling right away after the descaling. I give it two cycles of descaling for this machine, so it's functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.